Hey everyone, good morning. It is 4:25 a.m. 4:25 in the morning, New York Eastern Time. I want to get this video out real quick because this IPO is going public tomorrow. I did talk about this briefly before, and I think it was late 2022 if I remember right. But let's look at this real quick. It is Bullfrog and Bullfrog AI. Interesting. Right? Artificial intelligence is the trend now for the past, 10 days. So any AI stock usually is doing well. This doesn't mean that this initial public offering will do well, but it's going public at the right time, right? So according to the company, they say that we use artificial intelligence and machine learning to advance medicines for both internal and external projects. We are committed to increasing the probability of success and decreasing the time of cost involved in developing therapeutics. BFRG is the ticker symbol. It's available for pre-order already, so you can still pre-order. It's available still. They're offering 1.3 million shares. The price is $6.50. All right, if you're willing to buy this and pre-order this, $6.50. Why would you pre-order this if you're new to IPOs? IPOs are companies that are going public on the stock market for the first time, sometimes second time. They get delisted and after years they go back, but this is the first time for this company that's going to become a publicly traded company. And before it becomes publicly traded, it offers 1.3 million shares as a pre-order at $6.50. Some people would pre-order this if they feel that it's going to open right out of the gate at a higher price, and then you can sell it same, right away. And so that does happen. You can pre-order an IPO, let's say for example at $4, and it opens up at 8, 15, 20, 25, and sell it right away, and you made money, right? And it does not count as a day trade, right? Because so that's something to consider if you're only allowed to day trade 3 times a week. I'm not saying this is going to open right out of the gate higher, but I'm trying to explain to people who are new to initial public offerings why you would pre-order this. The underwriter is WallachBeth Capital, Kingswood Capital Markets, expected to trade tomorrow, February 14th. So Gaithersburg, Maryland is where this company is based, and it was created to develop its bfLEAP AI, artificial intelligence ML platform from technology created at the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory. So that's very interesting, to create efficiencies for internal and external drug development purposes. The company is headed by founder and Chairman and CEO Vininder Singh, who has been with the company since 2017 and was previously an executive at Global STEM and Thermo Fisher Scientific. It's interesting, so far, Johns Hopkins University and a CEO that's been around with some pretty big companies. The company's technology is developed to assist discovery phase drug development, preclinical data, clinical trials, and they have received so far $2.1 million in investments from Tivoli Trust, Green Tree Financial, and Tedco. Guys, I don't know. They have zero revenue, right? So this is a company that has done nothing so far, no revenue, but they have a CEO that's been around with some good companies. It was created at Johns Hopkins University. Tedco is an investor in this. It's so interesting, so interesting. It seems to have, at least in the manpower and on paper, some pretty good backing going on in as far as where this whole thing was created. No revenue yet. This might work out as a company in the future. You never know. It might actually become a really good company. It might just, getting deals and getting revenues and all that. If you were to base it on a Warren Buffett style investment, seeing that there's no revenue at all, you would not. Warren Buffett would never invest in this right off the bat. Valuation score 3 out of 5, meaning I'm neutral on this, and the float to outstanding shares ratio is going to be 24.7%. So with all that being said, would I pre-order this? I'm not, for the reason that there's no revenue, there's nothing. It's just there's nothing I can base my investment on. So fundamentals, financials, and all that stuff. There's nothing there to invest. $6.50 for a company that has zero revenue is a lot of money. That's expensive IPO. And but if you were to look at it on the possibilities, artificial intelligence, the CEO has worked with Thermo Fisher. The whole platform was created at Johns Hopkins University. They have gotten investments from Tedco. That sounds interesting, right? That's so it's a 50-50. I think, and that's really up to you. Let me know in the comment section below what you'll do. I will not get in. I wish you all the best and take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.